Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to update your WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to update your WhatsApp, all you need to do is first of all open your WhatsApp app. So once you open your WhatsApp, you will be in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the three dots. There you can find the settings option. So simply tap on it and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen where there are app updates. So once you're in this kind of page, you will end up in this interface where you can find the auto update WhatsApp or WhatsApp update available. So under WhatsApp update available, if any updates are remaining to be updated, it will be shown there. However, if you have auto update on, then it will keep on updating WhatsApp frequently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.